Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I am finally gonna pick up the car. As you guys know, I was getting my RGBW lights installed. It's done. The shop just called me to go pick it up right now. We should be there in about 10 minutes or so, but for you guys it's gonna be instant. Without further ado, let's go.
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice of the gang and we making a killing.
Been waiting this for a couple days, like 3 or 4 days.
Alright y'all, we're here. We have arrived at the shop. We're getting ready to go look at the car, check it out. Man, you guys stay tuned for this one. It's gonna be amazing. It took about 4 or 5 days, but it's okay as long as the job is amazing and perfect. That's all I care about. You guys are gonna see in this one. We went the extra mile, but that's all I can say for now. I'm gonna let you guys see for yourselves and enjoy the lights, how they look like. So without further ado, let's go. What's good, man? Pretty good? Yeah. Man, I can't wait to see it.
You gotta download this app, but I'll tell you right now which one it is.
The one you have?
Yeah, it's the one that this thing tells you.
Oh! Yeah. Yo, y'all look at this. This is crazy.
There you go.
Damn. Let me see.
It doesn't come with the iPhone, bro.
Huh?
It doesn't come with that iPhone. You gotta download that app.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what? Alright. Oh, snap. You gotta show them that. With a signal, with a turn signal. Yo, that's crazy. So is that something you have to do like manually?
It's a feature that the drivers have. I just wired them up to
Okay.
your parking lights.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yo, that's crazy, man.
Damn.
But you know what? I like the light blue like this, man.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's crazy. You wired everything
It's all hidden.
all through here?
It's all hidden
Dang.
on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I got the flex beam on the bottom too.
Oh, that's crazy, man. Yeah, my brother was wondering how you're gonna do the wires and stuff.
Yeah.
And it's crazy. You can't even tell.
And then that black thing, man. Which one?
The paint?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, it was a pretty cool project, man. Like I said, I've never really done it,
Yeah.
so I smoked the reflectors.
Make sure you're recording too, bro.
We got rid of all the chrome that was
Uh-huh.
inside, and then around here also. So it just gave the car a whole totally
Yeah.
different look.
Now actually you don't even need to buy the thing anymore.
No, man, I
Yeah.
went ahead and just cleaned it all off.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Usually I got the reflector cover
Yeah.
because it was ugly, like orange right here, and I forget.
It was orange and chrome.
Yeah, orange and chrome, and then so now I don't even need it anymore.
No.
Y'all see that? So we blacked out the factory ring. We also blacked out the lines in there, and we also sprayed the reflector right here. So y'all see that, man? Yo, that's crazy, man. Yeah, that's a good look. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, man, just go into the app, mess with the settings,
Yeah.
all that good stuff.
I'm about to crash trying to record this, man. That's all I can get, man. All right, guys, it's the next day, and I'm gonna give you an update, what I think about it. Man, I love them. I'm gonna show you guys how to use the app too. So as you guys can see, that's how they look like on daytime. Pretty bright, you can see from far. Y'all see that? Man, this thing looks mean. The app that Lighting Trend recommends to use is this one right here. It's called Magic Light. If you have an iPhone, it's in the Apple Store. If you have an Android, it's in the Play Store. So when you open it, basically it's gonna scan for all the Bluetooth devices that are available in the area you're in. So for mine, it's right there. I've already renamed it. But pretty much, if you want to put the Bluetooth controller in pairing mode, you have to turn it off and turn it back on, and it's gonna be in pairing mode for the first 1 minute that it's on. So you have that 1 minute window to come in the app and connect to it. This just ensures that it's not in pairing mode all the time, so you know nobody can just come in next to your car and connect to them. They actually have to be in pairing mode for that, and to be in pairing mode, you have to disconnect the fuse on it, the fuse coming from the positive side, and it will turn it off. And then when you turn it back on, you have 1 minute to connect to it. So once you do that and you connect to it, that's how the app looks like. You have the color wheel, and then you have the squares down here where you can make your own preset lights. Basically, you go to whatever light you want, and then you hold on the blank square, and it'll fill it in with the color that you're at right now. So right now I've made 3 presets. As you guys can see, I have light blue, purple, and orange. So let me show you guys that. So I'm gonna select the purple one. Y'all see that? And then the orange one. So I played with the wheel and I looked for the perfect orange to match the paint. And the camera doesn't do it that justice, but in real life with your own eyes, it matches the paint, and it just looks like the lights over there is just paint and it's actually not light. So it's pretty cool, as y'all can see that. And then of course the wheel, right? You can go over the wheel, all kinds of colors that you want. Pretty cool, man. You see that? So I'm actually gonna make a preset for red. And also, if you guys know how to play with your RGBs, you know, you can also use this instead of the wheel. So pretty much I know for red, I'm gonna put the red max, and I'm gonna remove all the green and the blues, and that's gonna give me pure red. And then like right now, I'm gonna add it to this square right here. So it's my preset. See that? The 4th square. So my 3rd square is orange, my 4th square is red, and boom. Y'all see that? Look pretty crazy. Over here is a little dimmer because the sunlight is right there. But as you guys can see, when I put my shadow there, it's crazy. But yeah, so I was telling you guys that I had this one custom made. So pretty much this ring in here, the factory ring, was chrome, and then on the inside it was also chrome. I don't know if you guys can see those lines going all across. So all that was chrome too. And then these lines right here, 6 lines, you see those 6 lines? Those were also chrome. And then this right here was a reflector, it was orange. Alright, so I basically asked for him to paint the reflector, paint the little stripes, and paint the ring, so that everything in there looks pretty good. Even when I have it off, let me show you guys. Even when I turn the lights off, right here, it looks amazing. You see that? So it's just, you know, one minor detail that I wanted to get done. Just everything in there blacked out. He actually had installed it and everything back there was chrome, and I don't know, it just looks kind of sketchy. The ring didn't look, you know, like it's in place properly. There was so much stuff going on back there. So by painting everything black in there, it just made the ring stand out. So if you're like right here, that's all you see, you know. So, and I remember guys, I also had the reflector sticker, remember? Like this one, carbon fiber from Lux. I had it right here. Well, I don't need it anymore. As you guys can see, everything is already blacked out. See that? So if you guys want to get halo rings, I would recommend to get this right here. It's called a diffuser. It basically goes over your LED bulbs and it hides the bulbs so that when the light is on, you don't see the little individual light sources. The diffuser kind of diffuses the light and makes it even, so it looks like the light is coming from just one source, which is the ring. So very cool. Kind of like the same thing that these things do over here. They diffuse the light also, because on the boards you only have like a couple, maybe four bulbs per each line, but you don't get to see that because the light is being diffused in the plastic right here. So kind of the same concept. All right, y'all, so that was it for today's video, guys. Showcasing the lights. Y'all can see that. Man, those things look amazing. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for the future videos. As always, if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more mods to come into the Mustang, smash that subscribe button. As always, guys, I will see you on the next video. Peace.